we drove this Evo like literally 25 hours all the way from Inverness, Scotland, all the way to where I'm from. It is a stock Evo. It's got a stock intercooler, FQ300. It's like one of the craziest goals I've always ever wanted, and by God's will we've had the opportunity to get this Evo. But now it's time to get it onto the road and fully restore this car, get all the problems. I'll do a video of all the problems with the Evo, but I'm just telling you as it is. This is the Evo 8 FQ300. Everything else is standard. Let's get to the back. There's no badges on the car when we first got it. I did get a bit worried that the car might not be FQ300, but obviously it's a 6-speed gearbox, a bucket seat, and obviously the GSR's done. The 4G63 engine that I've always wanted. Almost forgot the FQ came with the HKS intercooler hard pipe. All about Evos, they are a really weak shell, and probably the rust is probably coming underneath the underbody, but we'll get to the bottom of that. I've checked the engine oil, it's all there, and all the fluids, it's all intact. Coolant, the radiator water, it's not too bad. Then Bismillah. Wow, here it is. Oh, look at the Jeepers. Look at that. It feels so fast. Like a rocket. We're gonna take off, but oh no, man, it's been a long time. That's what it is. It's because when we first got this Evo, when we first drove it, we were like, this is the fastest thing we've ever driven, so it's like, this is scary. But obviously over time, when we had the other cars and the Skyline and stuff, obviously that's the most scariest car now. And then this kind of goes down the rank now. I'd say second. Obviously, don't to mention the problems in this car. If I was to slam my brakes now with no ABS and the problems, the car would just literally flip out. It'll just slide out. People that have Evos, they've probably experienced that. But yeah, it's not doing its dumb valve. The reason why the dumb valve's not kicking off properly is because maybe it's a bit sticky. It gets pressure and it opens up when it releases the pressure. See, you can hear it. It's trying to kick in. Like, yeah, it's so solid. See that? Whoa. This car to be running like how it is now. Whoa. The wind just literally pushed the Evo to the side. Very light cars. Hence why they rust so quick. That's another issue that I need to sort out. They didn't give me that much. So the dump valve's getting there. Where's the snow though? Is it raining? Wow. It's like it's playing flutes at the end of it. It's got the AEYC. If it's working, I could choose tarmac, gravel and snow. This car does get super hot, the engine bay. That's why it's got air vents on the bonnet to cool it down. But let's do it first, gear one. Whoa! Wow! Yes! Give me that power! This is sick. You drive every other car, then this car gives you something like this makes you laugh. This gives you this hype. I can't explain it. These are 305 brake horsepower standard. They've made probably 1,000. I might be wrong. The Evo's getting happy the fact that it's getting driven. Oh, sick. This reminds me of Scotland on the way back. Right, okay. Sounding fine. Oh wow, look at the state of it. enjoyed that, and stay tuned for the next video of more about the Evo and get to work with the Evo and do all the things for it. So that's it really. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.